Car won't start with the push button? Don't panic. Here's what to do. First, check your key fob. Is the battery dead? Try holding the fob right up to the start button and pressing it. Sometimes a weak fob battery can still work if it's close enough. Next, make sure your foot is firmly on the brake. The car won't start unless it senses the brake pedal is pressed. Still nothing? Check if your vehicle is in park. If it's not, the system blocks the engine from starting. If your dashboard is lighting up with warnings, you might have a dead car battery. Try jump-starting the Pacifica or check for loose battery cables. Another thing, listen for a clicking noise. If you hear it, your starter might be the problem. Lastly, look for a security light on your dash. If it's blinking, the car may not recognize your key fob. Try your spare fob, or replace the battery. If none of these steps work, it might be time to call a professional. But often, it's something simple. Remember, your Chrysler Pacifica's push-button start is designed to keep things easy, so don't stress. With a few quick checks, you'll usually be back on the road in no time.